Hello friends, this is Samrat. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is iTech Venture Solution. As you all know that I have started a YouTube video tutorial series for those who are beginners in the process of being YouTuber. So if you are in the process of being a YouTuber or you already have started your channel but don't know how to get going, then this YouTube tutorial series is definitely for you guys. In today's video I would be talking about the importance of get going with YouTube. As the title indicates that it is very important to start your own YouTube channel and start uploading whatever content, whatever data you have. You know why it is important? Because once you start your YouTube channel, people get used to see or wait for your video. If you don't update videos on a regular basis or timely basis, then people will not trust your videos. So it is very important to get started and upload videos on regular basis. Another big question is why it is important to start YouTube channel. As you guys knows that in today's world the situation is difficult due to pandemic. Nowadays many people are thinking or moving from conventional and old desk or field job to online jobs. And what is the best online job as a career? If you think about the online jobs, what is the best option available to start online career is YouTube. YouTube is the best way or easiest way to start your online career. Starting YouTube channel is very easy. It's take nothing. Okay. If you have a Gmail ID, you can start. Another important thing, if you want to become a successful YouTuber, you have to start it now. Literally now, means right now. Are you waiting for a good time, good camera, good light setup, good studio setup? Are those problems blocking your way to become a successful YouTuber? Please ensure that nothing is stopping you from starting your YouTube journey. Even if you have workable phone with decent camera, record your video, start uploading it today. I'll tell you one thing. In every video in the beginning is not perfect one. If you see my videos, you would understand how I started from my first video to till last video. You see the content quality, you see the video quality is upgrading video by video, day by day. Okay, I started my YouTube channel, I uploaded video, whatever knowledge I had, on that basis I uploaded the videos. Okay, now I gradually learning how to present myself in front of you with the script, with the templates, with kind of light needed, whatever it is. Now I'm learning, but in start I was not having that much information. With each new video, the quality of my YouTube channel video is getting better. You can see that one, right? That's why friend, remember, most important part of YouTuber's journey is start and get going. Whatever good content you have, whatever thoughts, whatever idea you have, put forward to your camera, record it and upload it. Please don't wait for a perfect time. Today, now, this time is the perfect time. Get set, go. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't so far. Share this video link with those who need this useful information, and please don't forget to click on bell icon to get updates from my channel. I also welcome your suggestions, observations and comments on this video. Please put your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much for patiently watching this video. See you soon with another useful information and practical based YouTube tutorial video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Sayonara.